Hello world, Chris Lancaster with MyLawMarketing.com. I'm going to show you something really cool. First, I'm going to introduce this by letting you know that just a few days ago, Google has made the announcement that they are going mobile first, meaning they are indexing your website by its mobile version first, not the desktop version, but the mobile version first. So what's interesting in that is they are going to rank your site by how well it performs on mobile and what the user experience is on mobile versus desktop. We have finally made the turn to the mobile first world. Okay, so on the screen you can see I have done a Google search for Rivera Law LLC, criminal defense lawyer, and a couple things I want to point out here is number one, it's HTTPS, which means it's secured. Any information coming over contact forms or being passed through the website is secured, and that is a ranking factor. So HTTPS SSL security certificate, you've got to get that for your website because it does make a big difference, and it keeps your people secure from when they pass that information to you. You know, their personal name, phone number, information about their case, or whatever it is they need help with. So make sure you get that done. With MyLawMarketing.com, all our clients have the HTTPS. And okay, so the next thing I want to point out here is the phone number. The phone number is marked up on the website, meaning we used code in the website to mark up this phone number and let Google know when it crawled through the website that this is the official phone number for the website. Okay, so which is really cool about this is that people looking for Rivera Law can just click right here and they don't have that friction of jumping through hoops to find the number. It's right here provided for them, which if you can get less friction means more conversion. So I'll click the link going to open RiveraLawOffice.com. Something very surprising. I don't know if it'll stick around, and it shows up sometimes, it doesn't show up other times, and if it does, I'm going to definitely point it out. It's something that's a new Google feature. But anyway, here we are, the beautiful website. This is Rivera Law LLC, RiveraLawOffice.com, and we have main sections here: criminal defense, drug charges, juvenile criminal defense, contact form, Vincent himself, what is a trial lawyer, federal drug lawyer, juvenile criminal defense again, another contact form, and then we go into the video section. Each one of these, Vincent explains criminal defense. He created a series of 10 videos that are really professional and nice, so we're featuring them here. And then down here we've got success as a trial lawyer, motions, information, and we cleaned it up very nicely where it's not a lot of text being displayed, but there is a lot of text here, and that does a couple different things. One, it looks nice, it's a good user experience, and at the same time, if I open one of these up, you can get more information about this case or what happened underneath this headline. So David versus Goliath, Vincent won a trial against the county attorney, felony DUI jury trial. Turns out that he won the case where he negotiated it down below felony, probably misdemeanor or something like that. So you can open these up or you can keep them closed, which is really cool because you need text, you need content on the page because you need Google to crawl through something, and Google needs to understand what this website is about. So this gives Google that and looks great. So okay, we can open any of these up and you can read into them. People like to read the map, and then down here we have information about contacting Vincent Rivera. So you got the phone number, you've got the physical address, you can jump into the contact page, and then we got more links. Links are very good throughout the site, in and out of the site, as long as they're not spammy, and this is a good use of links right here. And then of course the footer here. Okay. Okay, you can see this now. Now that we've scrolled down and scroll up, see how we've gone through the website and now we're going to scroll back up. down here Google has dropped in something that I don't know if it'll last. It's definitely not going to make people happy, but right now it is reality. You can see this bar right here with a little Google sign and view 9 related pages. They are dropping search results directly on top of your website. These are other guys that are related. Okay, so this is really interesting. Not only interesting because, wow, I don't know how else. I'm really shocked by this, but also when you give us lemons, we make lemonade. So this could also be an opportunity for your law firm to get additional exposure in other, I guess it's not really in other people's websites, it's a tray that pops up over from Google search in like Google Chrome or whatever. So we're going to drop this down. It's going to go down there, and then if you see above it right here is different ways to share, and these are a service we provide built into the website, and this is the mobile version, so it has text, WhatsApp, Twitter, more of like the mobile ways to communicate with people. On the desktop version, the share buttons are your more traditional Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter posts, things like this. But SMS text, we could send this, we can text this website out directly to friends of ours. You know, WhatsApp, any of these things. Okay, so now I'll go back to the beginning of this. If you notice, it's very clean, it's very professional, and it has one idea per box, one area per box. So if they're looking for criminal defense, if they have drug charges, they know exactly what to do. It's not cluttered, it's not a bunch of text, it's not boxed off and then lots of information. It is very simple. You know, what we want to do is from the home page, we want to start funneling people down by what they're looking for anyway. We don't want to confuse people. We want to funnel them down from main areas down more refined, because that's what they're looking for. They're looking for like a workflow situation. Okay, because if I go to this website, I don't care about juvenile criminal defense, but I might be looking for drug charges. So I want to be able to easily find it and click on it and go directly into the thing that I am interested in. Okay, so we got Kansas drug defense lawyer here, and then we have a video, and underneath it we got some information about it. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to answer questions here. And then if you notice, we've blocked off, because if you get a charge, you're probably going to get a charge of one or multiple of these. So we'll open up like a marijuana charge. Possession of marijuana explains first offense, second offense, subsequent offense, and then sell distribution. It just goes into the information right here, because we want to educate people and we want to make them feel at ease. You know, it's like they're probably not going to feel at ease if they've got a charge and then they see this, but at least now they're educated and they're empowered to understand what they're going through or what they're going to go through or what they're going to be looking at. So that's why this information's here like this. And then you can contact Vincent and you can watch more videos down here. So this is very typical. We'll open this, go to the video series. Here you can see we have videos. So do I have a defense? We can open this. Do I have a defense by Vincent Rivera? Okay, you can see that we have a video here by Vincent, and then underneath we have these boxes. The first box is video transcription. So you don't have to sit here stationary and just watch the video. If you want to read or you want to follow along, you can go back here into the video transcription and read, and if you miss something, you can grab it. This is really interesting because not only is it very user-friendly and the user experience is 1,000 times better, but this content is text that Google can go through and read. Google maybe they are at this point, but not that I know of. Google can't watch the video, so they can read the text. They read this text. These are very SEO friendly type posts. One, because you've got a video that people will watch and stick to the page for like 3 or 4 minutes at a time because it's a good video, and 2, because you've got the text that Google can crawl through and figure out what the page is about. Plus it gives you a lot of information here. Okay, back up to the top. Okay, so the next box, about Vincent, then you got some information about Vincent here, and these links are great for SEO, all the different areas, contact information, and then a contact box right here. So I can contact him right here with an email, or I can give him a call. Most people probably call. But so that's the video page. We can open up the video, and you can see that all of this is a really great user experience. It's very clean, it's very easy to see, very easy to understand, very easy to use, and it is doing a great job converting. So this is a great look at a mobile first website and everything it should be. So I hope that answers a lot of questions. If you want a website like this, if you're interested in working with MyLawMarketing.com, who only works with law firms, and we come in every day and obsessively get better and better at all this, or if you have questions, just general questions about marketing, online marketing or social marketing, or the sales process or the lead generation process, feel free to call me, 818-397-5468. My name is Chris Lancaster. You can go to MyLawMarketing.com. We have I post at least one video or podcast every single day, and at least one article. So I post probably 3 or 4 times per day on the website. So if you don't see exactly what you want today, I promise you it'll be there probably in the next few days, because we're really just pumping it out. And all this stuff is free. We give it all away, and we just